just on this side of death. We're down here at Lakewood Park for the fireworks. Pam had to run to the ladies' room, and I have staked out a spot towards the back of the park. We walked all the way down, I don't know, half a mile maybe, to get here. Parked way up by the Phoenix. Got ourselves, of course, some Phoenix coffee. Got a little iced coffee, and now we're listening to music by some orchestra, as you can hear. And it's just another day, 4th of July. I hate that. I gotta do that all over again. That is a Renato carry there. Do it again, do it again. And that's Pam right there. And it's the big binoculars.
Okay, turn around.
So she can take out the anti-aircraft.
Aw.
He's gone. He's gone. You were too late. This is what it looks like to take down Pam's shirt. This is what Pam's nose looks like.
Stop it!
This is what Pam's head looks like. That's her feet. Pam's feet right there.
You can actually adjust it too.
Kind of odd. It's weird even. Oh, here we go. Here we go. You have to like angle it just right. I don't even know what I'm seeing. I'm probably seeing like people behind me as a reflection or something. Hi kids, it's me, Zen Archer again with Pamela. We're still down here at Lakewood Park, and let me give you a little tip. If you ever come to one of these events and it's really hot and you don't want to wear your jacket and go down to the park, because it's going to make you hot walking all that way with your jacket, screw that. Bring the jacket. Because we're freezing our heinies off, and the ground is wet, and the moisture's coming in, and the clouds are coming in, and the fireworks pretty much look like lights in the sky.
They're the slow kind.
You know, that kind of looks like Starry, Starry Night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, we're still waiting for the fireworks. They fired a couple off, but we decided that must be, Mom says, that must be to see if the ground, or if the sky, if the ground is dark enough, to see if the sky is dark enough to see the fireworks. So we're still waiting. I don't know what the hell time it is. It looks like it is. Damn, it's like 9:40. Still no fireworks in the sky.
Because it would be dark enough if they turned those off. I mean, seriously.
Pam just said, "What the?"
I said, seriously.
She said, "What the?" So we're still waiting. They actually have like helicopters and shit flying around in the sky. I think this year what they're going to do is try to shoot the helicopters out of the sky with the fireworks. It's just a thought. That would be worth watching. Oh, did you hear that there's a new Ultra? New Clipcam Ultra?
Yeah. It's got more space on it.
Yeah, it's got. They changed the recording codec, added more memory, and you can record up to 2 hours.
So when's more
It's like $179 or something like that.
Oh, I thought it was a similarly priced.
Oh, and there's an Ultra HD.
That's what I heard. I think we're nearing the end. What do you think?
They're shooting at us!
Oh my God! Redcoats!
Freaking Lakewood police! Alright, thank you. Let's go. So, thank you so much.
Yeah! The earth moves.
No, there you go. This is recording, thanks.
Hey, no problem.
Now I have fruit and backup. Alright, now we're going somewhere. That's not all of it. Come on, guys. There we go.
Nope.
Yeah, there we go. I knew there was more.
Give me.
Oh my god, the field's on fire.
Yeah. We're going out with a whimper.
Really? There's the finale right there.
Right there.
It's like, that's
Quiet.
all we got left.
Please be sure to tip your waitress. Yeah, sure.
That's what they do. They wait for the applause and then they go, well, what about this?
Yeah, and a little bit of that. Feel that?
Come on, go out with the big one. Go out with the big one. Boom! Taking YouTube stalking to a whole new level. Cut it out, people.
What?
YouTube stalking.
Yeah. Thank you
Oh,
for coming.
check out the
to-
bunny ears.
Cool. Wrong holiday though, isn't it? Cool.
It's Easter for.
Independence from the Easter Bunny.
Yeah. Don't you people have home? Good morning, afternoon, evening, as the case may be. You're part of the world. For those of you who don't know me, I'm John Archer. I'll tell you what. I am at the Red Brook again, and having a great time. Pam and I went to see 4th of July fireworks. We'll see plenty of video of that. We've got DVDs to play, The Dark Knight, and Hitchhiker's Guide, and what's the other one? Some new mummy movie, I don't know. Well, we're gonna watch that. Eat pizza. We stopped over at, I always want to say Geppetto's, but that's not it. Anyway, we were in Lakewood, and we went and got pizza, had a couple of beer, and then went down to the park. That was a lot of fun. Got a lot of video of that, little walks and stuff. So, I think you guys will like it. And if you don't like it, the hell with you. I liked it. I had a good time. So, Pam gets a non-smoking room. So I'm outside having a smoke. Kind of relaxing. It is currently this time. That is, I guess it's about 10 to 1. Poor Pam. She didn't get any sleep last night. She was like worn out today. By the time I get back in, she'll probably be sleeping. Life is fine all the time. What is it with people and cliche sayings? You know, seriously, what is it? Gotta be a catchy little phrase so you remember, right? I don't know. I've had a couple of beer, in case you can't tell. Not drunk. Not even really feeling it, but I'm okay. Got the Hampton, Motel 6, Days Inn, Denny's, Denny's. I haven't been to Denny's in so long. I should go over to Denny's and get a hamburger. Get a big boy. A Denny's big boy. When's the last time that you had a Denny's big boy? Remember, Big Boy came way before the Big Mac, right? Right? Big Boy was way before the Big Mac. And it was good, too. I don't know. I know, I'm just rambling. But, Day 2. Tomorrow we're going to go in the morning and have breakfast. Hopefully breakfast at the John's Diner. It was closed today. So we're going to go to John's Diner in the morning and get breakfast. And then probably hang out a little bit and go to the Phoenix. We want to go hang out at the Phoenix. We were there once tonight, though. We went and got iced coffee and went down to the park. And then Pam's going to head for home, and I'm going to head for bed. Because I'm pretty tired, too. And I'll definitely be wore out by the time tomorrow comes. Yeah. So there you go. It is what it is. Alright. We're just having a little talk while I smoke. It's a non-smoking room. Should have seen this last night. Came out here to have a cigarette, and there were like 6 people standing outside their rooms having cigarettes. They're getting non-smoking rooms and then standing outside the rooms and smoking. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. I hope you're having a good day. Morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is. I'll talk to you later. This is just a little intimate, you and I kind of thing, right? It's just us. Yeah. Later.